Okay, let's try to verify this identity that tangent of pi minus theta is equal to the negative tangent of theta. So to do so, what I'm going to do is start with the left-hand side and use our difference formula or difference identity for tangent. So basically fill in to the left-hand side. I'm going to identify that pi is going to be our alpha and theta is going to be filled in where our beta is over in the formula. So we can say this is going to equal the left-hand side is going to be tangent of pi minus tangent of theta all over 1 plus tangent of pi times tangent of theta. So basically just filling into our nice difference formula for tangent. From here, we can evaluate some of this. Tangent of theta, tangent of pi, we can go ahead and evaluate that. That's going to be 0 minus tangent of theta over 1 plus, again, tangent of pi is going to be 0 multiplied by tangent of theta. So I've evaluated tangent of pi in both these places. So in the numerator, we're going to end up with 0 minus tangent of theta, or we can write that as negative tangent of theta, kind of dropping the 0. It doesn't really need to hang out there. For our denominator, we have 1 plus 0 times anything is going to be 0. So really that's 1 plus 0. So what we end up with is negative tangent of theta over 1, which is negative tangent of theta, which is what the right-hand side was from the beginning. So we can be really sure that this identity actually is an identity. We verified that it's true by using our difference formula for tangent. So I hope this helps out. Good luck.